Hey y'all,
Where are you supposed to be going?
it's Janae and Simone. Thanks so much for tuning in today. This is my nephew, Sydney. Sit the kid, y'all seen him before on our dance video. Yeah. So we're gonna be vlogging today. My mom is taking us somewhere that neither of us have been before, so I'm pretty excited.
And let me have the camera. We're playing I Spy with my little eye right now.
Yeah.
And there's
winning.
I'm winning.
I'm winning.
I am winning. She's a hater. I am winning.
I'm winning. But anyways, I'm gonna show you this nephew too. You guys seen him too. He was in the dance video. Yeah.
And he was on the camping trip video.
Yeah, and so was he. So you guys are familiar with my nephews.
Yep, and I dropped you guys in the pool one time.
Yeah, if you guys seen those camping vlogs. If you haven't seen those camping vlogs, go see those. Especially the last one, my nephew was playing too much. It's all right, you guys. So I will tune back in with you guys once we get to our surprise place.
Yes.
All right, y'all. On TT duties.
No. Okay.
What? What you want me to do?
Hi. So we're going into Jurassic Park. I didn't know it was Jurassic Park until my Jimmy told me. So I hope they have some really cool rides with the dinosaurs. Well, that one family over there has a balloon. Oh, they have a balloon too.
Oh, we should get a balloon.
Yeah, I'm getting a balloon.
That's
And yeah, and the balloon and the dinosaur has paper for legs.
You want to step up there? Or
Yeah, I will.
So we're going in.
Sit down this point at the balloon. Cool balloon, huh? Okay, now if you say something or turn it off.
We're going into Jurassic Park.
Adonis. Hi.
Look at my nephew.
Adonis, look at me. Adonis, look. Hi.
Look at me, Sydney.
Hi.
Look at this.
Look at me. They have wagging tails and everything. Oh. Look at that. That's cool. Oh, we're about to go into the Jurassic Quest. We're going into the Jurassic Quest.
Let's start this way, guys. Turn it around.
Oh. Look at these. Oh my god, look at these. Okay, so these dinosaurs are super cool. Look at these.
Look at this. This is a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yes, a T-Rex.
The most famous dinosaur.
Yeah. Okay. My nephew thinks this is his vlog. Okay, he wants to take my GoPro and do his own thing. Look at that. Wow. Could y'all imagine if we still had dinosaurs? Like, they would, oh my gosh, look at that. They would be killing us if we still had dinosaurs.
You getting the names of any of them?
Nope, I'm not actually. But look at this. This is the vegetable